Long ago, Pennsylvania passed a law requiring bar stools. Former owner Art Roman didn't want to go along with this law and came up with a special bar stool that allowed customers to still stand at the bar yet complied with the law. In 1864, there was a hotel on the second floor that was converted to a hospital when a troop train transporting prisoners of war ran off the tracks nearby. Both Union and Confederate soldiers who had been injured were treated in this hotel.
Yeah. Still works, looks like.
Yeah, they're selling cigarettes out. The only difference, it used to be 50 cents, now it's $14. That's cool. You see the sign? It goes free beer and topless bartender. See that?
I didn't see. I gotta get this. I got a picture of it though. I love it.
Rohmans was rebuilt in 1941 after a fire. It was at this time that the second floor 4-lane bowling alley was added. It is one of the few bowling alleys in existence that still requires manual pin settings.
This is amazing.
Good one? All right, you guys ready to me kick your asses? I'm a bowling shark.
Are you?
No.
We're gonna find out.
Okay. All right, am I going first?
I got a small
Yeah,
hand.
you going first.
I need a kiddie ball.
I think
Who sets up? You gotta set your own pins back up.
Oh, I guess so.
Right?
I guess so. Yeah.
All right, I gotta warm up here. Oh, shit.
Not bad. You can still pull a.
All right, so now you gotta go down there and get the ball to.
That's the part I gotta figure out. You have to go down there, get your ball, and then I want to see how it comes back up. Put the ball
here
on top of there.
Yeah, then roll.
And I think it comes back by itself. Watch this, Gary. I think it's gonna come back by itself.
Well, we should. Oh, no, you couldn't do that, could you? Have somebody stay here, and then when you shoot, whoever goes.
Okay, we can do that.
I don't know. Just trying to think for me to go back and forth.
Push it, yeah, push it. Oh, let's see. Look at that.
You know what I mean?
Oh, that's awesome, man.
Like if somebody stays in the lane next to
Yeah,
it, then
yeah.
you could just
I got you.
send the ball back, and then I don't know, alternate, I guess.
That's a good idea, actually.
All right, now I got.
All right, go ahead.
I got the hang of his lane. It leans to the left. Oh yeah. I'm
Oh
listening
shit,
to
look at this
that.
guy.
Wow. Oh, and they didn't write down what I got though. Cause there ain't no board up there. Like,
That's right. That's always on paper. All right, here we go.
oh, for Christ's sakes.
Another gutter?
I like it because I don't have to set the pins back up.
This is for Gail.
Got it.
kidding me.
I got lucky. Nice. All right, somebody gotta come down here because I'm up next.
I'll come down.
All right, you ready? Ken got a KO.
Ball's coming back.
That's fun, isn't it?
Not bad. I wonder if in the 1920s we would have called you a pin bitch, Ronnie.
Hey, pin bitch, sit back and connect the ball.
I was absolutely amazed at how this over 80-year-old technology still works perfectly.
All right, my last chance. Okay. Maybe I should just change tactics. How? Oh no! No, that didn't work either. Well, I think I got 2 points for the whole game.
Nice and easy down here.
Yeah, coming down here? Yeah. Is it my turn? You're on. All right.
What do you got? Shit.
So if we didn't see how this 1920s bowling alley works, you have a little lever, a little foot lever down here. And when you do that, these pins come up, and that's where you put your pins. Kind of steadies those pins, and then release your foot, and they're ready to go. Then you gotta walk back up the gutter here to get back to the balls. You guys hiding because you don't want to face me in bowling any longer?
I'm feeling good, man.
Are you?
I beat you.
You beat. I think you did. Who won actually?
I don't know.
Did you get the bring the paper?
Oh shit! Where was it?
It was on the desk.
No, I didn't get it.
I think.
What did I get? 200?
2.
Oh, 2.
All
All right. So you have the official. You have the official score.
I do. Well, no, I don't have it yet.
Oh, okay. I'm ready for some of that wood.
Ronnie's got it. Ronnie's got a 36.
36. What do you got?
32 for me.
Wow.
And 8 for Ken.
Man, look at that. A strong 8. All right, I'm getting ready for some of that wood-fired pizza, man.
Our next stop was the Corner Piazza in Eldred, New York, an open-air facility specializing in wood-fired brick oven pizza.
Ready?
Go ahead. Oh, that's the meat lovers. Oh man, it's gonna be good. It smells good already. Oh, and here comes number 2.
Here comes number 2. I like that. Losing the basil, it's flying away.
All right, thank you. Look at that. Oh, thank you. I'll start with the meat lovers.
The crust is so good, man.
Yeah.
I looked it up online, and they said he gets like a crappy pizza.
Yeah.
The pizza and like the crust.
Here's the margarita. That's a good one right there, meat lovers.
Number 5.
Is that? Yeah, is it?
You know, it's funny. You eat more pizza than pins you knock down today.
That's fucked up, Roddy. That's fucked up.
This is true.
That is fucked up.
What'd you get in bowling? 2. How'd you do with pizza? 8.
At 8. What's his name? Nims. Hey, Nims. Hey, sleeping. Hey. Come on. What you got? Look at you. Look at you. Oh my gosh. Look at you. Look at you. What are you, like 70 pounds?
Like 95.
Is he really? Oh my gosh. How old is he?
He's number 10.
Oh, look at you. You're like a senior.
Yeah. He's like going deaf, that's why you didn't hear you.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. Yes, that's a good dog. All right, yeah, good boy. That's a good boy. Good boy, good boy. All right, go back. Go ahead, lay down. Thank you.
Have a good day.
I forgot to do it. Here, cheers.
Cheers.
Yes.
No,
All right, good ride, guys. Good ride.
Maybe another slice of pizza.
Are you gonna go in for another one? I might have to too, then, bro.
Dive in, man.
We're gonna be bringing nothing home.
Dive in.
You were right by getting 2 pies.
You guys would have been fighting for.
I mean, like if the 3 of us were eating, like,
It would have been gone.
Yeah.
It would have been gone. Really cool place.
As always, thank you for watching, and if you'd like to support this project, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.